was catching fish on top water and the air temp was 46. The sun is up and I'm still cold. But I was getting them on top, man. Come on. Good morning, everybody. My name is Warren. Welcome to Way of Fishing. I don't think you guys can see anything. I have no idea what you can see. The sun is just starting to peak the horizon, and we've got, sorry I'm out of breath, I've just paddled a mile. We've got about 4, maybe 4.5 hours to fish, if that. Got to be home early today. But if this is your first time on the channel, this is a multi-species bass channel where we fish out of kayaks and john boats and bank fish and bass boats and belly boats, and we bass fish, but we don't turn down anything that bites. So please check my back catalog and consider giving me a subscribe. So with that out of the way, I brought pretty much, I'm gonna fish pretty much what I tied on. I'm out here with my brother. I've got a Spro popping frog. Again, you probably can't see that. A chatterbait in citrus shad color. I've got a white spinnerbait, a pink worm, and a buzzbait. So we're gonna throw everything but the kitchen sink and see if we can get some fish in 4 hours. Oh! Lost him at the boat. Got to be one. Got to be. Doosh. Come on. Man, look at this. I just knew it was a fish gonna be over here. Yep. Oh no! Ah. Oh. Dog, come on, man. This is my favorite buzzbait probably ever to throw. This is a Cavitron. I'll find it and link it below. But this is a new one. I took the other one off and just put it in the box, thinking that maybe my main hook is bad. Even though I had a trailer hook on it, I dropped 2 fish. So maybe it's just the main hook is bad on that other one. I don't know why I dropped 2 fish on it with the trailer hook, but yeah, it happens. It's like Forrest Gump said, sometimes. I'm gonna go up to that dock. I'm gonna fish back around towards the lily pads. Man, when you go past something stationary, you really feel like you're moving. Dude, monster just rolled behind it. Didn't hit it, rolled behind it. Gotcha! I didn't bring a net. Oh, I didn't bring a net. That fish is pre-spawn. I told you something rolled on her. You got a scale. I don't know. probably a good old 3 pounds right here, buddy. Dunk the board. Nice fish. 18. Well, 17 3/4. Ah! Woo! In the melee, look at she choked it. I cut the GoPro off. Another nice 3. That's probably 3.5 right there. Ooh, that's a heavy fish. Look at the gut. Look at the belly. Get in my belly. Choked the buzzbait all the way down. Yeah, dog. Ha ha ha. Yes, I did. Hey, that's my second 3+ on the day. Time to let her go. Go make babies. God, that's a fat fish. Oh, I didn't measure it. $17.5. Just sinking like a submarine. Woo! Ha ha! I just have to remember to not cut the camera off every time I get a bite. I can still see my breath. It is May. I mean, it's the end of April in Virginia, and you can see your breath. I'm so glad I had these shirts in the truck. When we started fishing today, it was 46 degrees air temperature when we launched these kayaks. And I'm getting fish on buzzbait, dog. Yeah. Give me another one. That was a toilet flush. Did you see it? Wasn't it awesome? There we go. That is another grown one. My GoPro was not running. That's another grown one. Why was the GoPro not on? Crushed the chatterbait. Ooh, I did not have him hooked that good. See what we got. 17 3/4 is my biggest today. It's my second biggest, just a little bit over 17.5. Woo! What a good day I'm having. That's 3 fish over 17 inches. I missed 3 that were probably at least the same size. That's a grown one. No, it came off. That was a grown one. Jeez. Biggest fish of the day right there. No doubt, biggest fish of the day. I mean, monster. That was a freaking toad. And that was on the bed.
So I come around the corner and I just see swirl. So I just kept casting towards these lily pads, pulling back to it. I just put the boat and I held onto the tree and just pulled across it. And something kept pulling it. It kept pulling it down off the hook. Grabbing it. just dragging it slow across the bottom. And the swirl stayed in the same place right in here.
So you just kept coming through the area where the
I
swirl
kept coming
was,
through where the swirl was.
pulling your bait down a little bit.
Yep, and just dip it and let it sink. So
That's a nice fish.
It won't hit no nothing when I kept it up top. So I'm like, all right, I'm dragging across the bottom. But
Nice fish. That was on that tiki stick?
Yep.
You got some heavier line?
Yeah, it's 30 pounds. This is the saltwater rig we got.
He went from 6 to 30.
Yes, yes.
All right, it's almost time to start paddling back. Ain't that crazy?
Right. What time is it? You say you gotta be out by 9:30?
I gotta be home by 9:30, 10. It's 8:21. I left this in the truck. It's still here. I still have my net. Nobody stole it. Cause I left it. Okay, so we gotta close this video out before I lose memory card. It's crazy. It's 8 something in the morning and I have to go home. But I gotta do what I gotta do. He's over here laughing at me. The fish are biting. I got the pattern dialed in and I gotta go home. I have to go home. I lost an absolute giant. If you figure out a pattern for the fish and then you can actually switch baits and stay on that, then you have them dialed like they are dialed. And all of them are over 17 inches. Mike caught one on a bed. Oh my God, but I gotta go home. This is the first video in my promise to give you guys 2 videos a week. So I hope you enjoyed it. If it's your first time here at Way of Fishing, please look at my back catalog, consider subscribing, tell your friends about it. We caught them this morning. So as always, thanks for watching Way of Fishing. Go out there and figure out how to fish your way. Sorry about the road noise. Deuces. Man, I already did the outro, but man, they biting. They are biting. I don't want to go home. Oh, check my Instagram. They biting. I gotta go home.